inside it.
Whoa, you're right. Mine too.
Let's check what it is. Unicorn.
Mine too.
Now I'll start adding my glue.
Sorry, you have to pack with the axe. I packed it with the axe. Now I think so. This should be enough.
This should be enough for now.
Now I need the axe. Packed. I think so. Axes work out. Again, I'm gonna add the glitter. And
With the same step again. I think I'll add some more. Slime is fun to play.
that's my turn. Yeah, Sar, you're right.
Okay, let's mix our slimes.
Okay. Now, after this, we spread it. Oh.
Hey, glitter on my hands.
Glitter on my hands. Wow, it is so fun.
Okay. Wow. Mine is so glittery.
Yeah, you're right.
Whoa. Glitter is now we should remove the rest of the glitters. And then